Good morning. Today is the first back to school day. Yay! I continue with this Pirate 101 project. So far I have a floor and two walls. In this video I will show you how I made built-in bookshelves in the middle of the wall and made that section removable using magnets and pin nails. This particular technique is developed, I believe, by Era from Bentley House Minis. I've seen a video of hers making removable walls some time ago, and it was pretty cool and straightforward. So in this video I'm using her general idea. I got some strong magnets online for this project and I was happy to use just them, but my partner happened to have several boxes of pin nails in the shed, so I decided to give them a go and it worked awesome either way. So thank you, Ira. Right after I finish painting, I will cut the wall into 3 segments so that the middle section has the 2 wooden beams on, like so. I then worked on the middle section by gluing foam board pieces, and I created flaps on the side about 3 centimeters wide for the magnets to go into. You will see the overlay in a second. I could not use the video that I recorded. I was off camera. Here I'm showing you the magnets, and these are the flaps where the magnets will go into. So I've done that, and then I added pin nails to the left and right section of the wall, and they connect smoothly. I'm pretty happy with the result. You hardly see the seam. Everything works fabulous, and I just need to add the second layer of foam board to the left and right panel. I'm still out of double-sided tape, so I'm using another glue I have on hand. I took everything outside for a quick spray with this carpet glue, which is really strong. I'm sorry for being off camera again. All I did was slap on random large pieces of foam board, and this glue takes hold really quick. After that, I will just chop off the excess foam board. I'm totally happy with how this looks. Only on the right bottom corner you can see the wallpaper cut, but I can easily fix this later on. Nevertheless, I decide to add another magnet in the middle. Right now this looks a bit unfinished, and it's only too easy to make everything uniform. The magnets are not really needed, but I might put something heavier on these shelves, so I decided to add them just in case. Here are the pin nails, and you can see that the other parts of the wall are already glued in place onto the floor, but that's alright. I'm just adding another magnet, and this is almost finished. Thank you very much for joining me. Take care, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.